Hi, grade 10s. It's very exciting. We're looking ahead to next year and we're going to go through how to make your course selections. I know you've done this before already last year, but we'll just do a quick little tutorial just in case you don't remember how to do that. So you're going to go to drumvss.ca, our webpage, and you're going to go down here to the Power School link and open that up. And then you're going to sign in. And then once you're done signing in, you'll see a new menu item on the left, and it will say class registration. I'm going to click on that, and this should be loaded for you what was pre-populated for me, and we'll go through our selections. So the first thing at the top is science. Again, most of you would have taken Science 10C or Science 10 Common, and now you have your choices to do the other sciences. So you could do Bio 20, Chemistry 20, or the Physics 20, and you could do all three if you want, but that's your choice. If you did not pass Science 10, or if you took Science 14, then you're going to choose the Science 24. So to do that, you're going to go over to the little pencil on the right-hand side, and it opens up your menu of choices, and then you can pick what applies to you. And then when you have those, hit OK, and you'll see it's submitted with the green check mark on the right, and also they are populated here. So you can move these around as much as you like as you work through this process. So next we have social studies. Again, 65% or higher, we recommend the -1 is in social 10-1 moving into 20. And if you took 10-2, then you automatically go into the 20-2. Okay, and if you forget any of these instructions, of course, they're here on the screen as well. So you're going to click the pencil and make your choice again. Remember, we always suggest you do the highest level you can achieve because you're not ever really set on your career choices maybe yet. And we want to leave all doors and options open for you after graduation. So you're going to move along to the English. Again, 65% or higher in the -1 in grade 10. You're going to do 20-1. If you failed the 10-1 or you were already in 10-2, then you'll choose the 20-2. Okay, so we'll make that choice and hit OK. Then we get to math. Okay, and we have a few options here. So if you're a 20-1 student, that means you would have got 65% or higher in the 10C. To choose 20-2, 50% or higher in 10C. And then there's the 20-3 option, which is if you did 10-3 in grade 10, or you didn't pass your 10C, but were above that 40% mark. Okay, so you're going to make that choice as well. And then we get into your options and electives. Okay, so we want to choose 4 to 6 of these. Of course, we try and do our best to make your top priorities fit in your schedule, but depending on how everything works out, we like to have more choices for you just in case your top picks don't fit. So 4 to 6 is great. So under fine arts, you can choose, as you see, art, choir, drama, and instrumental music. You can pick all 4 of those if you're interested in all 4, just whatever you prefer. Then we get down to the career and technology studies. Here you'll see a number of options, and what's important to note on this menu is that there are actually 2 pages here. Okay, so welding falls onto that second page, so don't forget the 2 pages. So you can make your selections, and again, hit OK. LS, as you know, is mandatory for all students, so it's already pre-populated there for you. Then we get into your other options. Okay, so there's our live taught languages, French and German. There's the multi-language lab, which, as you know, is not live taught, it's computer-based. And then we have Phys Ed 20 or a 2030 you could take. And then we have RAP and work experience. So the difference between RAP and work experience is RAP is a registered apprenticeship program. You need to be over 16 years of age, and that's where you're working through a skilled trade. Okay, and often is associated with a blue book that documents your hours. Okay, work experience is either in the school with a teacher, or you could be collecting credits with work experience if you're working after school and your employer signs off. So there's a couple of choices there that you could make. Again, remember, out of all of these, we would like 4 to 6 choices. And that is the whole process. So at the very, very bottom of your screen, you're going to see a submit button. Please make sure you hit that submit button. Otherwise, we don't get to see any of your choices. All right, grade 10s, have a great week ahead, and we'll see you very soon.